Hi, it's Mike.
To create a new meeting in Teams. Now the first way to do it is if you've got this meet button in the top right hand corner, you just click the drop down and then click meet now if you'd like to create a meeting right now. Click on join now, and then once it's opened up, click on copy meeting link, and then you can send that via email or via Teams to people you'd like to join, or you can click on add participants and select who you would like to join. Click request to join and that'll send an invite over, or you can type the name there. So then the other way is if you click schedule meeting, and this creates a meeting, so you just fill in all the details as so, and then click on send, and then that will email them with a meeting link. Now if this button is not up here, if you go into calendar, you can actually create a meeting link here as well, and this is the email that they receive, and all they have to do is click that link and that will join your meeting. You can copy your link from here as well and send that over via Teams or via email. You can also cancel the meeting. So if you're in calendar, if you don't have the meet now button, if you're in calendar, you just click on new meeting and then add the details again as I've just shown you, and click save.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.